welcome back for another Microgreens episode. Today I'm going to show you how to sanitize and germinate your fenugreek seeds. This one is Country Creek Acres, and I got it off Amazon, and I did a trial, both sanitized and not sanitized, and the not sanitized one definitely did have problems, whereas the sanitized one I was able to harvest with no problems at all. So here's what you'll need to start sanitizing your seeds. Some warm hot water, not scalding hot, just kind of a little bit warm hot to the touch. Apple cider vinegar, a glass jar or any kind of mason jar, a measuring cup, a tablespoon or spoon, any kind of band to secure what you're going to be putting on top to protect it from getting any kind of flies or anything that might try to come into your solution. And the ratio that I like to use is about 2 cups water with about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And the amount of fenugreek seeds that I'm using is about 1/4 cup. So first I'm going to pour the seeds into the measuring cup. You can see 1/4 cup is a pretty good amount. Next, we can measure out the water. That's about 2 cups full right there. So that lets us know how much vinegar we can put in. Go. And you can just agitate them a little bit. Now you'll put on your protective cover, and these are ready to soak for 15 minutes. And in about 15 minutes I'll show you what you do next. Alright, and we're back from our 15-minute soaking period in the vinegar and water. Here you have it. We are going to strain these into this bowl. Normally I would do this over the sink, but I am today showing you guys how to do this. And it's as simple as that. There we go, almost done. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to try and get the rest of these out. See how I just shook them up like that? In a real quick motion. Now we can transfer these. Back into their container. Now, all you have to do is fill this back up with your warm hot water all the way to the top. Go ahead and secure this back with whatever your cheesecloth, paper towel, whatever kind of lid you're using. And this is going to soak for a minimum of 6 hours, optimal 8 hours, and then you will be ready to put those into your soil or whatever growing medium that you may be using. And this will prevent any mold from happening during your blackout process. Thank you so much for joining the video, and I hope to see you like and subscribe and join us for the next one.